Maybe I should have repotted this guy sooner, but I mean, we're doing it now. Euphorbia tescorum. It's really awesome, and it has some little baby arms coming in over here and over here and over here. So I want to give it a deeper pot so it has more support. And you can see right there at the top that new growth coming in. So it's actively growing, which is a great time to repot it. So I already have some soil in here. I'm just gonna try and grab, okay, that's a pretty good spot. Just make sure that's loosened up. And I'm just gonna lift it up. Nice. Set that down in there. Try and put it in a little bit lower, so just moving some of the soil out of the way. Come back in. Actually, I'm going to add a little more of my organic soil mix. It's going to need to really secure those roots down in. If this thing's going to keep growing this tall, and if it wants to put some arms out, I think it's going to want some more organic material just to snack on. And I'll use what's remaining in the little pot. Finish that, and then screw that around, pack it down in there. Probably didn't do a perfect job centering it, but I'm gonna beat myself up over it and finish it off. More drainage material. That's that. I put it over so long. And now it's done. One more thing off the list. Yeah, it looks cool. Alright. And this thing's been swaying in the wind. And I was just afraid one day it was just gonna I mean, you see how small that pot is. Alright. Exciting. And excited for this new growth at the top. And then hopefully these little branches are going to start growing more too. It's such a cool plant, but it's very bitey. Very bitey. Euphorbia tescorum, supposedly.